friends, I'm in Louisiana, and you're going to hear Blake talking to you, but that's good. You know he's watching his Gigi. Today I'm doing something brand new. Amy's neighbor, Allie, cooks so healthy, and yesterday she had made juice. She does this every day. And so Allie is going to teach me how to make this healthy juice.
Yes,
all right, so Allie, we're going to have kale, pineapple, carrots, one beet, apples, oranges, celery, turmeric, and ginger. Did we get it all? Okay.
And a lemon.
And a lemon. A lemon's in there too. So, this is new. I've never had it, but she's going to show me what to do. What do we start with?
Whichever one your preference.
Allie didn't want to be on, but isn't she pretty? Okay. Turn it on. Okay.
So it's easier to fill it up all.
Oh, it's okay. We're going to all right, we're going to go ahead. I have pineapple first. And put an orange.
Some carrots, an apple.
You want to put celery?
Whatever you feel.
Okay. And we're going to, it's going down. I don't know. Oh my goodness.
Probably turn it so everyone can see.
I'll walk around.
Okay. And they can see like over there. Look at there. This has to be.
Feeling. If you don't want to constantly open it, whatever fits in that little.
There. See, if Harold would probably like this, but I can't let him know himself.
You can, when this batch finishes, you can make a cup without celery.
That's okay. Do I put the whole thing? See, this is amazing to me. Just totally amazing. And kale. Allie says that her children love this.
Just put it all. You're just going to drink it all.
Blake, do you want some, baby? I don't have a juicer. So, I would have to really buy one, but it's so healthy. She tried to get Bryce. He won't eat hardly anything. And yesterday, she tried to get him to, and he wouldn't. And she does the whole apple, the stem, and everything because it's going to strain out, and there's nutrition in everything. You think you would like this? Yes. Good help.
So that other piece would also make this finer without having all that.
Okay. Okay.
We're waiting on that part.
And Allie says she saves all of the leftover for
My
her.
husband likes to eat this.
Really? Well, that's great. Okay, we juiced everything you saw except we only used a half a bag of kale, and it's time to try it. Wow, that is really good. Allie, all those apples made that's a good dish.
The apples and then the pineapple.
And the pineapple.
You taste the pineapple.
Wow, that is so good. I'm going to be buying me a juicer. Tell me, do y'all have a juicer? Have you used it, or what do you think? I know this is healthy, and I'm so excited that I know how to do it. Remember, to be Salt and Light, and I'll be back soon.